Okay, so before I do anything else on this aircraft, I'd just like to log today. Today is Friday, the 31st of July. I've made an error during flying today, and I crashed my aircraft. Believe it or not, my altitude readings at the moment were 40 meters above ground, and I was flying at, I believe, 20 miles per hour at the moment of the pilot error. So just to log what I did, what happened was I activated the stabilize flight mode, so that would switch to my manual controls and then automatically stabilize and level my aircraft for manual flying, and it would try to keep it as nicely as nicely stable as possible while I was controlling it. Unfortunately, I flipped on my controller and I accidentally pressed the off button. So my aircraft shut down all its motors and fell 40 meters onto ground. It fell into it's kind of like a sort of bushy area, sort of low bush area. So it, I would have expected that it would have sustained a lot more damage than this. Just to see, there is almost no damage, if any. The rotor bit right here is a little bit bowed, and that was from the impact. The aircraft impacted headlong first, camera into ground, and as you can see, the only other significant piece of damage is the little dent right here in the aluminum, and the moderately chipped rotor right here. All the motors still spin fine, and I think the only other minor issue was my GPS started up a little bit slowly the second time when I did a systems check. Right after the systems check, I flipped the aircraft upside down, put it on a level surface, and continued flying with absolutely no problems.